In this video we will learn addition of fraction. So there will be two cases, either denominator are same or denominator are different. So first we will discuss when denominator are same, 2 upon 5 and 3 by 5. So here denominator are same, so we have to add numerator only. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Now 5 upon 5 is equals to 1. Now move on the next example, when denominator are different. So here 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 3 denominator are different, so we will solve it by LCM method. So first we have to take LCM. 5 and 3 are two prime numbers, so LCM will be the product of these two numbers, that is 15. Now we have to make this denominator equal to the LCM. Now we have to multiply here 5 into 3 and 2 into 3, because we know that when we are multiplying the same number we have to multiply in the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so same procedure will be here. Then 3 into 5, 4 into 5, so it becomes 6 upon 15 and 20 upon 15. Now denominator are same, so we have to add numerator, so it becomes 26 upon 15. Okay, now you have to convert into mixed fraction, so it will be 111 upon 15. Okay, now we have to add different denominator, but these are mixed fraction. So this is the 12 1 upon 2 plus 10 2 by 3. Now we will discuss to other method, because you have already know how to solve it by LCM method. So first method, that is LCM method. In this method first we have to convert into improper fraction. So 12 1 by 2, it can be written as 25 upon 2. Then it will be 32 upon 3. Now we have to take LCM, so it becomes 6. Yes, so here we have to make the denominator equal to the 6. 2 into 3 and 3 plus 32 into 2, 3 into 2. It will be 75 upon 6 plus 32 into 2, 64 upon 6. Now we have to add, so it will be 139 upon 139 upon 6. Okay, now it can be reduced 3. Yes, from 3 it can be reduced. So 3 4s are 12. Okay, it can't be reduced, sorry. So answer is 139 upon 6. Okay, now you have to convert into mixed fraction. Now same question we have to solve by the other method. This will be 12 1 upon 2 plus 10 2 upon 3. Okay, so we know that mixed fraction can be written as whole number plus fraction. It will be whole number plus fraction. Now separate the whole numbers and the fractions. So 12 plus 10 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Now we have to solve this fraction, and it will be, yes, 22 plus LCM is 6, so here will be 6 and it will be 3 plus 4. Okay, so 22 plus this will be 7 upon 6. Okay, now 7 upon 6 can be written as 1 by 6. Now again this is the mixed fraction. Now we have to convert into whole plus fraction. Okay, so 22 plus 1, it becomes 23 plus 1 upon 6. Now this is the whole part and this will be fraction part. Now when we combine it, it becomes mixed fraction. So 23 1 upon 6. Okay. Now subtraction of fractions. In this also two cases will be there, when denominator are same and numerator will be denominator are different. So here first example, 4 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. So we have to subtract numerator only. So 4 minus 3, it becomes 1 upon 7. Okay. Now when denominator are different, so it will be 3 upon 9 minus 1 upon 8. So first we have to take LCM. Okay. LCM is 72. Then we have to make denominator equal to the LCM. So we have to write 9 into 8, 3 into 8 minus 1 into 9, 8 into 9. Okay. So it becomes 24 upon 72 minus 9 upon 72. Now denominator are same, so we have to subtract numerator. To 24 minus 9, it becomes 15 upon 72. When we reduce it, so the answer will be 5 upon 24. Okay, that is divisible by 3 and 3. Okay. Then it is a mental maths question. Suppose 4 plus 7 upon 8. Yes, this is the whole part and this will be fraction part. So directly you can write the answer with the reason. This is the whole and this will be fraction. So we know that whole number plus fraction is equals to mixed fraction. So it can be written as 4 7 upon 8. Okay. Similarly 5 plus 5 upon 6. So it can be written as 5 by 6.